Hi guys, we're at Selby Road level crossing in Yorkshire with Adam. We go now. The time now is 19:31 on Wednesday the 25th of April 2018, and this is for your 1934 435 Bravo freighter service from Bow Depot to Plasma Pier. Yeah, so another video here. I'm kind of glad that I did my intro so quick, otherwise it would have gone off on me. Yeah, I think Brayton's still the old crossing. I saw it down when we was coming, so yeah. Well, I think it might be coming from this way. I should have done the video from the other side, really. Yeah. Yeah, by the way, that is the alarm for them people who think that it's a camera or something that most OD crossings have. Yeah. These are the Bombardier barriers. Loads of people thought this crossing was going to be SPX, but it wasn't. Yeah, they do have these barrier boom lights as well. Here, I'll have to get some photos of that, won't I? Yeah, I've got loads of people commented on my Facebook post at the moment. If I can quickly get a little far back shot of the barrier. So, just so that people know. And I'll get one of them over there because they've got the boom lights there, right. Here's the freighter over there. It's weird, the crossing probably would have been going down about, you know, 50 seconds ago, maybe even 45, maybe even 30. Aston's up. 66116. And there we go.